Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are once more with another video of how we can earn free crypto without investing any money. Or for this episode, I should say without doing anything. And the reason being is because there is a catch. There is a catch because this time I'm going to show you how you can earn free crypto without doing anything, but in reality it's truly for the people that already own crypto, not for the people that don't own anything. So basically, in practice we should say, it involves an investment, but it involves a way to use our investment, or let's say to do anything without our investor, but still getting something in return from the investment or from the coins that we might already have. So basically, I don't know if we can really call it like earning without investing, but definitely earning free crypto without doing anything. So basically this video is not for the people that don't own any crypto, but it's for the people that already own some crypto, any crypto, and basically they don't want to risk their crypto, but just want to hang on them for the long term. But basically in this way you can take something out of that crypto without doing anything and earn a little bit more. But the potential for this way I'm going to show you are really big, although I say always that you are not going to expect to get rich from this way. But anyway, with the method I'm going to show you today, there is a really good potential for good profit in the long term. So okay, without further ado, as you can see, definitely we're going to talk about Kucoin. So basically, I think that all of you know, but for all the people that don't know already, Kucoin, it's a crypto exchange. It's ranked at 65th place today on the coin market cap. It ranges there from 50 to 70th place, and it has a decent volume of 24 hours. Today we have almost $14 million traded in this platform, but we are not going to talk about that. The good thing about this platform is that it has its own coin, like Binance, like Huobi, or other crypto exchanges that have their own coin or token, let's say. And the coin is this one here, Kucoin Shares, which has a value today around 70 cents. But the good thing about this coin is that, as you can see on the January of 2018, this coin went up to more than $20 a token, which, if we compare with the price today of 70 cents, we are yeah, more than 20x, no, yeah, more than 20x down. So yeah, I cannot make the math, you can do it, but anyway, we are further down into the price. And if we see the price of the price in dollar of this coin, you can see that we are almost at the minimum historical. So I'm pretty sure it cannot go any further down. But anyway, if this is if a crash doesn't happen anyway, so we cannot be sure about that. But anyway, we are going to talk about this in another episode. In this one, we are interested of how we can earn free crypto with this platform. So basically, the method you can use with Kucoin and Kucoin Shares, it's really easy. This is the platform when you go to Kucoin Share, and if you don't already have an account with Kucoin Share, I invite you to go to the link description that you find on my video and use my referral link. So if you trade on this platform, I will get a little bit of kickback, but anyway, this is a personal choice. So all the people that don't have an account with Kucoin Share, you can go down and use my referral link. After you open your account with Kucoin, remember always security first, enable two-factor authentication. enable password for trading, because in this platform we have the option to use a password for trading. So basically, if someone, for example, happens to get access to your account and you have an open trading, they cannot go and do trade, or let's say that cannot cancel the trading, so they can remove or get your coins. Because for all the people that don't know, if you have some coins into a crypto exchange and you have them into an open trade, you cannot withdraw their coins. So basically this is another layer of security. And if we go to a page in here, if you don't know, in late January there comes out let's say a list of the most secure crypto exchanges in the world, the top 100. So basically they are valued from a higher score of 10 points, which is the most secure crypto exchange, down obviously to below 5, which are the least secure crypto exchanges. And as you can see, Kraken is one, obviously, as always. And if we see Kucoin, it's not bad. It's at 11th place with a score of 7.9 and an historical of 10, the maximum rating, which means that there are no major breakouts or hacks in the Kucoin crypto exchange. So basically it's a very secure crypto exchange if you want to use big money with this one. But anyway, that took too long. Let's go ahead and see. By the way, this is the exchange platform. You can see here the password. The password for trading it's not the two-factor authentication code. Don't mistake this. It's another new password. So be sure to enter a strong password and a password that you may recall very good, because if you forget it, then you have to go the process of recouping this, and it's going to take a little bit. But anyway, so when you go into this crypto exchange, for all the people that don't have, and you have some coins, you can transfer your coins here. And the way you can earn your coins, if we go to the assets in here, you can see what I already have, and in here you have a thing called my bonus. If we go in here, you can see that you have two ways to earn bonuses with Kucoin platform. One, obviously, it's by referrals, which I have 0 till now, and I have earned nothing. Hope I can get something from you guys. And but we are not interested in this, because this is for all the crypto exchanges, the referral bonus. But the good thing about this crypto exchange, they have another way you can get a bonus, and the bonus you can get, it's by Kucoin Share, all the token that I talked to you about, the native token of this platform. And how you can earn from this is very simple. As you can see in here, if we click on view, I have one unsaved reward, which basically means, and this is very, very easy. What you have to do to earn from the Kucoin Share holding is basically just buy Kucoin Share tokens, and you can just keep them onto this exchange. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to trade. You don't have to exchange them for other coins, or do for example stuff like YouTube, or do social media things. You don't have to do anything, and that's why I say you can earn without doing anything from your already coins that you may have. So basically, if you don't own Kucoin Shares, basically you can buy this with Ethereum and Bitcoin. I'm not sure for other pairs, but anyway, these are the main one. So if you have some Bitcoins that you don't use, but obviously you want to get something in return, because not all the people are keen to trade. Not all the people are willing to risk with trading or doing other stuff or investing into other platforms their Bitcoin. There are many people that just want to keep their Bitcoin or Ethereum or other coins for the long term. And basically what you can do to profit from this, it's that you can go ahead, transfer your bitcoins here, buy some Kucoin share holding, and just keep it there. And you can enter every day or every 2 to 3 days, it doesn't matter. You just go to my bonus, you click on save on the wallet, and you claim your daily rewards just for holding Kucoin share tokens. And as you can see, my earnings today for 1,757 Kucoin shares, it's 0.27. The rewards basically, it's very simple. This crypto exchange, like any other crypto exchange, have fees. And if not if, but this crypto exchange obviously have fees for the Kucoin shares token when you trade. So basically, when you trade with Kucoin shares, any fee that you pay to the platform, this platform collects all the fees from all the trades that the people do with this token on this platform. I'm not sure if this counts for the other coins, but I don't think so. This is only for the traded Kucoin shares in this platform. So basically, all the fees that are traded in 24 hours, this platform take that sum and spreads it among all the Kucoin shareholders. So basically, all the fees they collect in 24 hours, they share them among the Kucoin shareholders. So you just need to have some Kucoin shares, and you will get your cut every single day after the trading, after the 24-hour trading close. So basically, this means that the more Kucoin shares are traded in this platform, the more we will get in return. So basically, that's why the reward varies. And I have seen rewards like 0.09 or let's say 0.1 Kucoin shares in 24 hours. But obviously I have seen better payouts like this one here, for example, on 6th of March, which gave me 0.44 Kucoin shares for my coins, for the coins I have. Obviously, the more coins, Kucoin share tokens you have, the more your rewards will be in 24 hours. But it may vary. Now let's get to the good part. You may say, "Oh, come on, you have to invest $1,200 just to get 18 cents, just to get 16 cents, 12 cents, or maybe less." Well, that's where I think you are wrong. So as always, as I say in this case, you are not going to get rich from this kind of thing. So basically getting free tokens or free coins. But anyway, with Kucoin shares, if you remember, we have an all-time high of more than $20 a token, and we are now at a bare minimum of this one. And I don't think we are going to go lower than the minimum, historical minimum of this coin. So basically, the potential for this coin to go to all-time high, or if we calculate even half of that one, let's say $10, then after a year or two or maybe more, I am pretty sure that the reward is going to be very, very good. As you can see in here, till now I have 4.45 Kucoin shares token, which are worth $3. But obviously, as I told you, if we calculate that the token will go on the next bull market will go at least $10, then this means that I own almost $50, and this is from I think 26 of February. Oh no, let's see. Sorry, we have the date in here so we can be sure. No, 22nd. So from the 22nd of February, which basically 3 weeks. Yeah, 3 weeks. Okay, for 3 weeks with the coins I have, with 1,700 coins, I have earned 4.45 coins, which is not too much right now. But obviously, if we calculate on the long term based on the all-time high and calculate only the half the price, not the $20, but I'm pretty sure this coin is going to get more than $20 on the long term. So that's why I think we have a good possibility to earn from our stale coins, or let's say the coins that we don't use, the coins that we don't want to risk trading or investing in other platforms. You can get something in returns from that by just keeping it here. And another thing, you may say that I better keep them in Bitcoin. Well, if we calculate the rate that it may go from now to all-time high, it's way higher than the rate which Bitcoin can go from now to its all-time high. And most of the tokens or other coins rather than Bitcoin have more potential on the upside, but obviously have more potential to go lower when we have a bear market. So basically the potential with this coin, I think that it's more likely to give you more gains than the Bitcoin or Ethereum for that matter, at least in my opinion. So in this way you can rest assured that you are not losing your coins by converting your Bitcoin or Ethereum or any other coins that you may have into Kucoin Share. Or better yet, if you have some shit coin that you have loaded with, you can turn them into Bitcoin and then turn them into Kucoin Shares, and in this way you are better with this coin than the shit coins that you may have. So yeah, basically that's what I had for today. By recapping very quick, it's very easy. You just open an account, use my referral link. If you don't have an account in here, you just buy Kucoin shareholders Kucoin Share token, sorry, and you just hold them into this wallet and you don't have to do anything, and you get paid every 24 hours for the amount you have for with a percentage that goes to you for the trading amount fees that they have collected on 24 hours. So basically you can earn from your coins that you don't use every day without doing anything, but you just have to enter the the crypto exchange just to save your earnings for the day. Okay, then I think that was it for today. I think I was clear on this one. If you have any question, obviously you can ask them on the comment section and I will try my best to help you out. Before we go, again, be very careful with your security. Although this is one of the most security crypto exchanges out there, the security is never enough. Activate two-factor authentication, activate the trading password, activate the email notification, activate the email confirmation for withdrawal and other things, so you can be sure you don't get your funds stolen. And obviously don't use this account or any other account on unknown Wi-Fi, on unknown PCs and so on. So be very careful with the security. Okay, then enough then, because it took too long. As always, before we go, don't forget all the good stuff. Subscribe to the channel, turn on post notification, and also like and share my videos and use my referral codes because it will help me and my channel. And yeah, as always, catch you guys on the next one. Bye bye.